I want to show you guys something. This is a very common issue. So look what happened. Okay? Most of the time, the screws are loose, the hinges are broken, or sometimes the house shift a little bit, and that's normal. Anyway, it just take a very long screw. Okay, let's see if it did something. If not, we're gonna keep going. Oh yeah, big time. Now it's perfect, but I'm gonna do one more because anyway, everything is messed up over here. And if you want to make your house safe, let's say the main door, I always recommend to put longer screws all the way to the stud. Okay, and let's attach this one. Okay, okay, all right. Let's see what's going on. Perfect. Let's fix this one. Just a little more. Let's making sure what's going on. The lock is not good, probably. That's okay. We're gonna put new lock. Something, yeah, okay. We're gonna fix the lock, but anyway, yeah, the lock is, oh, I see what's going on. Okay. Anyway, just gonna put new lock, but now the door, it's fine. Perfect. We're good over here. Let's put back the drill, we don't need it. אנחנו צריכים את זה, אוקיי, סכין יפני יש לו, סבבה, עוד סכין יפני גם סבבה.